Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact AMD GPU and Windows version. This avoids mismatches. Once done, download AMD Auto Detect or Radeon software directly and run the installer as administrator. Make sure to close games and overlays so files aren't locked. Create a restore point now. This saves time if you need to roll back. The installer will detect hardware. Follow on-screen prompts to proceed. You're starting the update correctly because mismatch causes most issues. When the installer presents choices, pick Express Install for a fast, standard update. Choose Custom only if you need specific packages. If you're switching GPU families or troubleshooting, select Clean Install. It removes leftover driver remnants and prevents conflicts. Allow the driver to install and accept any signature or permission prompts. These are normal. You may see brief black screen flickers. This is the display driver restarting. Stay patient. Interruptions often cause corruption, so don't power off your PC. After installation completes, reboot the system. A restart finalizes driver components. Once back, open Radeon software and verify the driver version matches the installer. This confirms success. Run a quick game or GPU benchmark to confirm stability and performance. If anything looks wrong, don't panic. If issues occur, return to the installer, choose Clean Install, or roll back in Device Manager. One key troubleshooting tip. Use the AMD Cleanup utility in safe mode to remove.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.